little different way of putting the sausage mixed with the rice. I just said, you know what? I'm going to save time, avoid something, plus put all of the flavor of the sausage into this. Just quickly put the thyme and all the vegetables in there with the butter. Sweat that up a little bit. Doesn't matter when you put in the salt, so I'll put it in now. Not a lot, because the sausage has salt in it. And the sausage is going to be cooked with the rice. Different, right? I just think of things sometimes if it'll work. And this will work. Because if you saute the sausage separate, you have to use another pan. Well, that's alright. And also, you lose a lot of the sausage fat. So if you're going to make sausage, kill yourself and have the fat also. And that's what I'm going to do. This doesn't take a lot of cooking. That's good enough. Now we'll get the rice. Which I should have had already laid out, but I didn't because I was too busy thinking of something else. And we all know that brown rice is better for you than the other rices that there are. You can find out, just Google it. So there's the rice. Throw in some pepper. See the amount? It's up to you. But the salt makes everything taste better, so that's why I measured it. And any kind of stock you like. You want camel stock, horse stock, chicken stock, beef stock, vegetable stock, kangaroo stock, water. It doesn't matter. It's your preference. I just say try and use the stock with the meat that's going with it. But I don't have any pork bones. So in goes the chicken stock. And in goes one piece of raw Italian sausage. Spicy or not, it doesn't matter. Your preference. Now, this is going to boil quickly because the stock was hot already. So now what do? I turn this down, you almost can't see it, to a simmer. Nice tight lid. And I'll come back, I'll set that for a half hour, 20 minutes, then I'll check it. The rice is done, and of course the pork is done. I'm going to take this out, put it on the board, dice it up, and then put it back in. Now we're going to add the diced up sausage. And if you want to throw in there some sliced scallions or some chopped parsley for color, or some raw red pepper, because it's sitting here in 2 minutes. Sorry for the banging, but that's how it is. And this is not a main course, this is just a side dish. We'll see how it looks in the dish, because there's very little pork in there. It smells good. And you can always taste it and see if you want a little more salt in there. So you would put it in here, more salt and pepper, whatever, and there you have it. Hope you enjoy.